Who said laughter isn't the best medicine? Indeed, laughter is a potent tonic for our well-being, supported by a wealth of research. Studies have shown that a hearty laugh not only lifts our spirits, but also works wonders for our physical health. It's been found to boost our immune system, help in lowering blood pressure, and even curb the production of stress hormones. A simple laughter can set off a chain reaction of health benefits within our body. And who knew? All these benefits just from a good chuckle. Ready for a good laugh? Well, let's dive right into the world of stand-up comedy, a place where humor reigns supreme. Picture this: a spotlighted stage, a single microphone, and a comedian who knows just how to tickle your funny bone. Imagine a comedian, eyes twinkling with mischief, sharing hilarious tales of everyday life. Think of the absurdities we face daily, turned into a riotous comedy routine that leaves you clutching your sides, gasping for breath, and yes, laughing out loud. Now envision another comic delivering one-liners with such perfect timing and wit that you can't help but burst into laughter. The kind of laughter that starts in your belly, works its way up, and explodes out of you in a fit of giggles. And then another comedian using satire and irony to poke fun at societal norms, making you chuckle, chortle, and even snort with laughter. Keep those giggles coming, folks. It's good for you. How do we bring more laughter into our lives? Well, it's simpler than you might think. First, you could watch a funny movie or TV show. Comedy is a great way to ensure a daily dose of laughter. Spending time with friends who make you laugh is another great option. After all, laughter is contagious. And if you're looking for something a bit different, why not try a laughter yoga class? It's fun, it's healthy, and it's a surefire way to laugh. Remember, a day without laughter is a day wasted, so laugh it up.